everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Daisy. I hope you're all well and you're staying safe at home. I've just been in the kitchen trying to make something nice and delicious today because we are cooking every day and everything seems a bit boring. So I was trying to cook something new, and I thought of make vegetable Manchurian. I have done Manchurian before, but I've used paneer. But this time I'm using cabbage, carrots and some other vegetable to make this Manchurian. This vegetable Manchurian turned out to be quite good actually. So I have done a video and I would like to share the recipe with you. I will talk you through all the ingredients and all the steps in the recipe. I hope you like it. At the end of it, I will give my afterthoughts. There could be some things that I would like to change in hindsight. Do watch till the end and do try the recipe. For the Manchurian balls, you'll need 1 cup of chopped cabbage, half cup of carrots, 1/4 cup of French beans, chopped spring onions, garlic and ginger, pepper crushed, corn flour, we'll need 3 tablespoons of that, 3 tablespoons of flour and salt. Now we're going to mix the cabbage, carrots and French beans. Add all the other ingredients to the bowl. Three tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of flour, salt to taste, and then mix well. It will take time for the salt to release the water out of the veg, so you need to keep kneading. And when it's ready, it will look a bit like that. Just make small balls, and here you are, they're all ready to fry. Heat a pan with some oil in it and then start frying. You'll need to turn these once they're cooked on one side to ensure the other side cooks as well. It does take about 4 to 5 minutes to turn golden brown. Keep stirring so they don't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. There you go, it's all ready now. It's looking nice and golden. Now the next step will be, I'll be showing you how to make the sauce. So for this we'll need chopped garlic and ginger, chili 2, chopped spring onions, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, tomato sauce 3 tablespoons. This is white vinegar, we'll need only half a tablespoon, and 3 tablespoons of chili, salt to taste, and corn flour, it will be only 1 teaspoon. Now in your pan, just put a little bit of oil. Fry the ginger and garlic first. Remember, these are chopped, not crushed. You can finely cut it too. Don't burn the garlic too much. Add the chili. Fry. And then the green part of the spring onion, actually, not the whole lot. We'll leave the stalk part for a bit later. There you go. Add the stalk part, then just stir. Don't fry too much, just wait for it to soften. Put the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we'll put the sauces, so 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. If you like it less hot, so you can adjust it to your taste. Then the tomato sauce. 3 tablespoons, And then the white vinegar, half a tablespoon will do for this amount. This is what will give the Manchurian the sweet and sour taste. And 1 teaspoon of pepper and some salt. Remember, there's soy sauce in it, so it will make it a bit salty. You have to adjust. Then add the 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and now you have to work fast because the corn flour will thicken, so add some water to just release it. Stir and add the vegetarian Manchurian balls in it. Just stir. Now there you go, it's all ready, and now we're going to serve it after garnishing it. Here you are. This was a recipe for vegetarian Manchurian. I hope you liked it. As I was saying in the start, in hindsight, I would have done a couple of things differently. One of them is probably I would have chopped my vegetables a bit more finely, maybe grated if possible. And also I would have considered the amount of salt probably, because you have to always bear in mind you're using soy sauce in it, which is a bit salty. So mine wasn't too bad, but I just thought I need to make a point of that. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.